Hello and welcome. Welcome everybody to my very first unboxing here, brought to you by CoinJoiners Unlimited. We have a pretty cool setup here. It's my first unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. We got some really awesome coins in this box. I hope you guys like it. So we are gonna get started. Let's rip right into it. How's everyone doing out there? You guys enjoying the inflation that we're seeing? Enjoying the mandates and government tyranny that's being caused right now by the global elite? I'll tell you one thing, I'm not, but I definitely have been talking about this for many years now, and I'll do a separate video on that. I'm actually going to be doing another video later on expressing my story about how I got into investing and collecting, and I'm really excited. So let's see what we got in here, guys. This is a 3 coin set I ordered the other night. I'm really glad that I did. Just want to make sure there's no good. Got the other day, and one of these coins already sold out, so it's really glad I picked it up. Definitely a great long-term hold. For those of you who are wondering, the spot price is down a little bit today, but hovering right around $23 an ounce for silver, $1,800 an ounce for gold. And that's the best way to open this. Guess this is the fun part, right? Ripping it open. Let's see here. Put a slit here. They did a great job on this shipping, guys, by the way. I shout out to Bullion exchanges. Again, this video is not sponsored by them, but I'm really happy with this packaging. They used the reinforced tape, and they just did a great job overall. So really, really happy with this so far. Something you definitely want to see is your precious metal dealer putting in care when they ship your item, especially if you're paying the premiums that these coins cost. You wanna see that put in all areas of the process, from entering your card information, checking out, all the way to receiving the package in the mail. All right, guys, now for the good part. All right, let's see. I'm gonna rip right into this. I like to try to save these sometimes, because if I ever have to ship, I can reuse them. It's bubble wrap, so protective, beautiful. And we are right in there. Does anybody have any guesses in the comments what you guys think this is? If anybody guesses, let's see here, I want to make sure I take this out of here. This is my invoice. Make sure there's no... Oh, nice. I forgot I ordered that too. All right, so this is my invoice. I'll end up putting that in this binder here. Keep track of all my purchases, guys, because when you go to resell, you don't want to lose track of what you paid for that item. So definitely exciting. Are you guys excited? Woo! All right, let's do this. We're gonna do one at a time here. We got a bunch of stuff going on. So we got a few things here. Let's see. We'll start with, I think we're gonna start with these here. These, I ordered these just because as I'm growing, as I'm building, as I'm learning the markets, I really wanted to be able to have, just something to express how people's emotions are involved in the investing process. And this coin set here is a really great way to do that. This is the Republic of Chad. Really nice box setup so far. Got fineness, 3/9 fine, silver, antique high relief. It's got a 5,000 francs value, 2021, and they only made 2,500 of these, guys, so really excited about it. Love the box. Always love getting premium coins with the box and COA like this. Nice. Got some packaging here. Let's go ahead and pop them out of there. Beautiful. All right, so it looks like we opened up the bear here. It's pretty nice plastic with the magnets. And what a beautiful, beautiful Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Wow. Gorgeous. All right. So as you can see, we got our first coin here. It's a bear. The reason for the bear is because sometimes the markets go into hibernation, guys. And when that happens, everything is tanking and everyone is bearish. Everyone's getting out of the markets and everyone is pretty much just, let's see if I can, no, I'm going to leave them in there. Beautiful though. Very beautiful. I like the size of it. It's only 1 ounce, but in hand, it feels really, it's just the right size, you know, to display bearish sentiment. There we go. That's what I was looking to do. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Bear market. All right, all right, all right. I like it. I'm gonna put that back in there. Cover him up. And we will get on to the next coin here. Beautiful. Actually, we'll leave this out like that. Okay, so we got our bear. I hope that's not a little foretelling on what's going to happen here in the crypto markets, because I don't know about you guys, I'm expecting a pullback. I've seen this before. I've been in this game for a while now. 2015, I've got into crypto, and I've definitely seen a lot of ups and downs, and I've been in one bear market. I think I'm getting ready to experience my second bear market. But maybe we're lucky, and maybe we're able to pull through, and maybe the bulls will take control. Wow, that is awesome. Beautiful piece, guys. Again, these have a mintage of 2,500. So you can see right there. 745, number 745 of 2,500. I like it. It's a great number. And the reason why it's good to buy premium coins, again, a lot of people, they just want to stack closest to spot, but the reason why I enjoy buying premium coins is because a lot of times what you'll find is that you pay the premium up front, but in markets like these where you have more and more collectors entering into the space, more and more people starting to wake up and realizing that the dollar is nothing more than just a piece of ink and paper. And it takes a lot of work to get this out of the ground. It's very scarce. And when they mint only 2,500, you know, it adds to the scarcity. It adds to the collectability, guys. And people are going to pay a heavy premium on that. So very cool. Got the bull and the bear here. And we're going to move on to our next piece. Let's see what we got. This one here, I was hesitant to buy this. Mainly because, I mean, I try to stay away from a lot of the premium stuff, but honestly, once I saw the design and I realized it was only a 5,000 mintage, I'm so happy I did, because at the end of the day, you have, I mean, this coin sold out in a few days. You really can't get it anywhere now, so very, very exciting on that. And let's see how it came out. Let's see what number I got. By the way, let's check out, before we do that, let's check out the serial number on the bear here. Let's see if we got matching serials, because that would be really, really cool if we did. I wasn't 758 we got on the bear, guys. 758. So pretty close, not matching, but that's okay. It's still a beautiful coin. All right, and we're on to coin number 3 here, guys. So let's see what we got. We got this 2022, I believe it is. 3/9's fine. Mintage of 5,000. It's a little loose in the box here. I like this little pool tab. And as you guys know, you've seen from the Wall Street silver movement, you've seen this ape thing going on, because I think that the global elite think we're just a bunch of apes, or maybe we're just a bunch of sheeps. But apes are, you know, we're all human beings. So I don't know what the movement behind the ape is. But anyways, it's really cool. I love the box. I like the presentation so far. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to pull this orange pull tab. And oh, we're out of the box here. Wish they kind of put something in there to stop that from happening. All right. And so we're out. Let's check it out, guys. Diamond hands. Apes to the moon, strong together. There is a really great community of people getting behind this silver movement, into the crypto movement. And it's just because people are sick and tired of being into forced slavery, literally forced slavery. You know, if one entity controls the money printing and they can just print it up and electronically add numbers into the ledger, you and I have to go to work for it. It's like, come on, you know, I don't want to work hard when everyone else can just, sorry, not everyone else, but 1% of the people can just print up my time, my money. Forced slavery, guys. So anyways, this is really cool. Super excited I picked this one up because, again, like I said, this one's sold out on the Mint website and on the Bullion Exchange website, and you really can't pick them up anymore. I'm missing my COA, it looks like. That's weird. Anyways, pretty cool coin. Very excited about that. Very cool. Very, very cool. Awesome, guys. And as a bonus, since I forgot that I got this, I'll just show you guys this real quick because, as you know, I'm an avid collector. I'm a stacker. I believe in stacking all kinds of metals. Just check this guy out real quick. Just a little bonus for you guys. Because as I'm sure you guys are getting excited as I am. Because metals are just, man, there's just something about stacking metals that just makes me so excited. Leave it in the comments too if you're excited, what you're excited to stack this year, what you're collecting, and what you enjoy stacking. And if you're not a stacker, that's awesome. And thank you for checking out my video because, you know, I started stacking after I started reading people like Robert Kiyosaki, Mike Maloney, and I just started studying, you know, the history of money, and I was able to, you know, just see that there's obviously a massive, you know, systematic error going on with the money printing, guys. Just ridiculous amounts of money printing. Cool, very cool. So we got a Credit Suisse 2-gram platinum fine bar. And as you can see, looking to sell. So these big online dealers will buy this stuff back from you guys if you're ever looking to sell. Personally, I'm not selling. I got them diamond hands. But anyways, I think that's really cool that, you know, you can always sell back if you need to liquidate. Wow, that's really nice. Lady Liberty here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Credit Suisse. Nice little asset here. Beautiful. Investment product. I love it too when I see people, oh, I'm an investor. And we all have to go through our own challenges and learning lessons. Every fool must learn. And a lot of people think they're investing when they buy a coin like Dogecoin or Shiba coin. Really, you got to get educated, guys. That's the most important thing. Before you invest in anything, even metals, of course, which is an incredible investment. But you really want to invest in education before you invest in the markets, guys. So anyways, that was my 3-coin unboxing. I want to keep it short and sweet. God bless all of you in the name of Jesus Christ. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.